Good morning. It's Amazon delivery day, and today we're doing car seat covers on the Kia. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're in a nice bag. Well, even better. There we go. So these car seat covers come from Coverado Automobile Supplies. Coverado Automobile Supplies. And these are, I believe, all of them. We're going to put them in the Kia, which is out there. And, of course, it is raining today. All right, I've unzipped it. Look at these. These are like a nice, soft, subtle, plasticky vinyl. And they are very well packed. This is the front seat, of course. The back cover on. The thickness of these is incredible. You get both sets, the bottoms and two tops inside of each other. So 1, 2, and we even get the backs. Look at this. The center cover for the rear, the Velcro, and the back bench. Bottoms. And the tops. Look at that. Very nice. Now my back seat's a bench. I'm wondering how this is going to fit. They even come with the headrest pods. The packaging in this is incredible how they packaged it. They're all Velcro mounts, so you don't have to worry about having stitching or anything. It's all Velcro. Backs, bottoms, headrests. I'm more interested in how the back is going to fit. So let's get out in the Kia in the rain. We're going to do the passenger side first because it's more accessible. This is just the passenger seat headrest. I've extended it up, and the piece will pull down, and you'll tuck it in. The Velcro's on this side, so you can just tuck it, and then you can put your seat headrest back down. Like so. Stock. Covered. A lot softer. Now, I'm going to have to pull this out to put the other one on, but I just wanted to show you how it works. All right, here's the top and the headrest on. Coverado logo. And you pull the straps through the back, and they just tuck under. There are some map pockets. I don't have the bottom attached yet. My car does have a kick plate here. I have to pull the straps through, and then you just tie them together. But, protect my original seats. Let's get the base on. You can see very well padded. Company logo embroidered in. And they just literally attach to your underneath harness mounts. It's super easy. Look at the difference. Drivers, passengers, top, bottom, super comfortable. Fit, super easy. Rings attached to the bottom, pulls it tight. Still have seatbelt access. Still have airbag, side airbag access. Headrest, mat pocket. Lots of cushion, super soft. And they look great. They match better because I have gray, like a houndstoothy material. And we're gonna get the driver's side done next. Attach these clips. You get these little plastic rings where you hook each one in when you pull it taut. That gives you the tightness you need for the entire seat. Okay, the backs I'm still working on. The headrest is tucked through. I have to tighten all this up. These aren't wraparounds, wet. The bottoms fit pretty good. The center is the problem. You get two pieces in Velcro. One is entirely too large. Does it sit like this? Or, well, definitely not like that. The center covered just fine, as did the passenger side rear. And it wraps around, and I haven't tucked the bottom in yet. I'm trying to figure this part out. I don't know what this is. Does this go here on the center console? Does that go there? I don't know. Something goes here, and I don't know what. Now, this kit is not specifically for the 2018 Kia Soul. but it's the closest one I could get. Rear bench seat, 2 buckets in the front with headrests. I think it's my bad on forgot that the rear had headrests also. But other than that, if it is some universal, it does fit pretty good. What do you know? Instructions fell out. Tells you exactly how to put them on. Tail and tuck, click them in. So it is, oh, I did it wrong. Okay. God, it's hot out here. It's like 35 and 100% humidity, so I'm feeling it. Back to a couple hours later, reading the instructions that I found. I got the front bottom part put on, and it has these little clips that wrap around, and because my seats have a kick panel on the back, that made it extra fun. This is the top. I got to put these dudes on that will tuck under the crack of the seat, and they kind of just hold with frictionary force, and then you put these into those to lock the top and bottom. I can't film while I'm doing it because it's a royal pain in the butt, but I'm going to do it, and I'll show you when it's done. That's one. It's not perfect, but they're car seat covers, not car seat replacements. I had to unsnap my kick panel there, that carpet thing. I undid mine so I could get the clip things on, which are right there. See how they're clipping on? 3 of them. Well, I just popped this one off, so I got to redo that one to that clip. Let's see if I can just do it. Anyway, I just grab it. That's the original. Hold on, this thing. Yeah. Pop it through here, and like that, it sticks. And then I give this the old tile and tuck. That's one. And we got a little mat pocket, and I'm sure the kids are going to kick the crap out of them because they're like a leather material. Pleather, really good quality though, thick as anything. Now I can redo the headrest and put the headrest in. That is one. Coverado. Yeah, and then my dog peed on my car tire, so it smells wonderful right here. Anywho, comfort level. I'm fat, but yeah, comfortable. I'm still able to use the recline and use the original adjustment for the seat. Cool, that's one. Cover seats installed. Haven't set in yet, so it's still cushiony from the bag, but matches. My car's dirty. Now, the back, I have no idea how I'm gonna do because it's got extra pieces that my car doesn't use. So it's like top half, the bottom half doesn't get together. I don't know how I'm doing this one, if I'm doing this one. Okay, so back seats are a no-go. The fronts look great. Fit great. They're a universal. They're not even for this car. They're just a universal fit. Problem with the back seats. They want you to use these clips. I have nowhere to even put the clip in. This would all flop up. There's nothing. It's like molded right to this plastic. My seats don't come out. I don't even know how to unbolt them. These fold down. The back piece blocks my center cup holder armrest thing. So, and it was, the headrests were not adjustable. They were just folded over. It's a universal kit. They don't have an exact one for my car. So I did the best I could. It's not the company's fault. But, you know, fat guy in a moss shirt. But I mean, look at that improvement over that to that. And they're so comfortable. I'm sure they're nice and airy. They have holes in them for airflow. And they're really good quality. They're thick. Like, really thick. They're going to be nice in wintertime, I'll tell you that. I don't have heated seats. But if I did, I'm sure they would come right through. There is a little bit of a chunk right here where this little thing has to wrap around. That's my lumbar support, or my whatever the back thing is. So it's working. Anyway, that's the Coverado seat covers. If you're interested, I'll put links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.
That boy is good.
Good and terrible.
What do you know from funny, you bastard?